Hello everyone, there's a few interesting things coming up in the next few videos, so stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe down below, and we will see you in the next. Here's the tacho cable. The other one was all rounded up on the ends here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's still in the plastic here, so anyways, we will put that on today, and that's it. Well, and then the oil, so the oil filter. So, okay. I don't know if you can see that, but right there is where the tachometer goes into, and then it goes from there into there. I don't know, I can't really get the camera in there, guys, but then we're going to take this cover off so we can get this on the tachometer cable. So be back. Alright guys, I got this out, so we'll put the cable in right now. Take it out of the bag and we'll put her in there. So I'll just turn the camera on for you guys so you guys can see. So this one goes on here. Big one. So this big one here, see there's a big one and a small one. So the small one goes on the tachometer. The big one goes in the other on the other end. So we'll just stick her in there. Put it in there. Okay. That one goes on there. And then this one will go through here probably. And then in through this hole. There's a bunch of wires in here that have to go. We'll have to go underneath that, I think. Underneath there. Come on, guys. There we go. It's hard to get my hands in there, guys. So, give me a minute. Alright guys, it's working. We got the tachometer working, so there you go guys, it's working. Tachometer's working.